Good morning to all of you. Myself is Deepak and welcome to the computer science class with Deepak. Our today's topic is functions. Basically, it is the chapter second, functions of computer science with Python, class 12. So I just start function. So now I'm going to tell you what is the exact meaning or what is the definition of the functions. Basically, in 11th class we just write the multiple programs. Suppose that the lines of the programs is 50 or 60 or more than 50 or 60, and if divide this line of programs into the small units and into the small blocks, so this particular process is known as the functions. अगर हम अपने प्रोग्राम्स की लाइंस को स्मॉल ब्लॉक्स के अंदर या स्मॉल यूनिट्स के अंदर ब्रेक करते हैं, सो दिस पर्टिकुलर प्रोसेस इज नोन एज द फंक्शंस. Now I just explain you with the help of the example ki what is the difference between a simple programs and what is the difference between the functions, a program with functions. Okay, so before I start this, I want to tell you, if you are just going to make a program with the help of the functions, so basically it is the combination of the two things. Function is, first one is the function call and second one is the function definition. First one is the function call and second one is the function definitions. With the help of these two things, we just make a programs of functions. Is that clear? Now I just take one example. So now I just clearly explain what is the difference between a simple programs and a program with functions. So I just write here code. So first I just write a simple program in which we just display a simple message hello friends with the help of the print keyword. So I just write here print, then hello friends. This is our simple message, hello friends. We want to print hello friends with the help of the print keyword onto the monitor screen, and after that we just press the F5 button from the keyboard and the Python will show the answer or will show the output hello friends onto the monitor screen. So our output is hello friends. So this is our answer and this is our output with the help of the print keyword. Now how we write this particular message or this particular programs with the help of the functions? Now this is the question. So I just write a programs with the help of the function. So my dear student, I have already told you that function is the combination of the function call and the function definitions. So before make a program with the help of the functions, you have to declare the function call or function name. And function call or function name is a user defined name. You just take any name as a function name or function call. So I just write here deep as a function name or function call, and after that we just write the parenthesis on, and after that we just write the parenthesis close. This is our on and this is our off bracket. Okay, and after that declaring that this is our function call or function name. You know very well, if we just put the comments into our Python editor, we just introduce the hash symbol of any lines, means that this is a comment. Okay, it will not show onto the output screen. And after that we declare the function name or function call, and after that we declare the function definition or function header. Function definition or function header are the same things. And remember one thing, the function name and the name which are declared into the function header are same. So I just write here the same name deep, and after that parenthesis on and parenthesis off, and after that we just write here the colon, and before this name we just write the def keyword. Remember my dear students, if you are just going to declare the function definitions, so function definition or function header always start with the def keyword. It's compulsory to write def keyword before function definitions. Okay, this is the function name or function call, and the same name you write here into the function header. This is your function header. So I just write here function header, and always you will terminate the function header with the help of the colon sign. And we just write the statement into the function definition block. So I just write here print, I just write here hello friends with the help of the print keyword. So you know very well, before this I just make this particular statement as a simple programs. I just write only the print bracket on double quotes के अंदर hello friends double quotes बंद कर दिया, and after that close the bracket, and after that we just make this particular programs with the help of the functions. So first we declare the function name or function call over here, and after that we declare the function definition or function header. The function name and the name which are declared into the function header both are same, and function header or function definition always start with the def keyword. This is the block of the function definition block, this is the block of the function definition block, and this is the block of the function call or function name block. So now I am just telling to you the what is the program execution into the functions. So before starting this, I just write the number of numbers in front of the line. So I just write here 1, this one 2, and this one is the 3. And remember one thing, the executions of a program in functions always start with the function call or function name. So our control is directly transferred to the function call or function name. So it will print the 3, and after that control directly transfer to the function definition, and it will check the name are same or not. The name which are identified into the function call and the name which are declared into the function header both are same or not. If are same, then it will go into the body of the block, body of the function body into the function definition block. Otherwise if the name are not same, it will generate the error. Okay, but here the name are same, so control is directly go into the function definition block, and it will print the message hello friends onto the monitor screen. So what is the program execution? First control our go to the function call, so I just write here 3, and after that control go to the function definition. If the name are same, then it will execute. If name are not same, then it will not execute. So it will go on to the first statement, and after that it will go on to the second statement. After print statement, the executions of the program is come out of the loop, and it will display the message hello friends onto the monitor screen. So this is our programs which are made with the help of the functions. I just take the one another example with the help of the functions. First I just make a simple program, and after that we will convert this particular simple programs onto the with the help of the function. So I just write here the code of that particular program. So I just take the two variable a and b. The value of a is 10 and the value of the b is 5, and s equals to a plus b. We are just going to perform the addition of the two numbers. So s equal to a plus b. Then after that we just print the output variable, that is s, because after calculations of a plus b, the result is stored into that particular variable, that is s. And after that with the help of the print keyword, we just show our output or show our answer onto the monitor screen. So whenever you just press the F5 button from the keyboard, then compiler execute these programs, and it will just show the output 15 onto the monitor screen. And now the question is that it is our programs, simple programs. Now the question is that how we convert this particular program into the functions. with the help of the function. How we make this program with the help of the functions. So first we declare function name. So I just take any name. So I will take sum, curly braces on and curly braces off, and after that we just declare the function definitions. And you know very well the function definition always start with the def keyword, and the name should be same who are defined to the function name or function call, that is sum. Both name are same, this one. Okay, so first we declare the function name or function call, and after that we declare the function definition or function header, and after that we just write the statement into the function definitions. So I just write here a equal to 10 and b equal to 5 and s equals to a plus b, and after that print s. So now you see the difference between the a simple program and the functions program with the help of the functions in front of you. Now just see the execution of the program. Now let's see the execution of the program. So before write the execution path, we just mention the numbering in front of each statement. So I just write here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So I have already told you the execution of a program always start with the function name. So I just write here 6. After that control is directly go to the function definitions. So I just write here 1. If the name are different, it will generate the error. If the name are same, it will go inside the function definition block. So after 1 we just write here 2, after that we just write here 3, after that we just write here, and after that we just write here 5. Because with the help of the print keyword, the calculation is just directly transferred to the monitor screen, and after that control is going out of the program, and it will generate the answer onto the monitor screen, that is 15. So this is our programs with the help of the functions, and this is our program, simple programs. So now let's see the difference between these two. Now we just write here the very small programs. Suppose that you just write a program for 1000 lines or 2000 lines. So it is very difficult to understand the meaning of the lines, the programming lines. So to overcome these problems, we just write a program with the help of the functions. Basically, for the understanding point of view, we just write the program with functions, because in functions we clearly declare the blocks, and each block define his meaning. So we just write any programs with the help of the functions, or we just write a simple programs. Is that clear? So this is my today's topic, in which I told you what is the meaning of the functions and how we write the functions programs, and we just compare the simple programs and the functions. So I just summarize my topic. So what is the functions? Function basically is a combination of the two things, function call and the function definitions. And if we just divide the programs into the small units, so this particular process is known as the functions. And functions basically start with the function name or function call, and after that we just declare the function definitions. And function definitions always start with def keyword, and this particular line is terminated with the colon sign. Function call name and function definition name both are same, not different. If it is same, then the control of the program is going inside of the definition block. Otherwise it will generate the error if the name are not same. So this is our today's topic. I hope you like this. If you have any questions, just comment me. Okay, thank you very much.